Hi guys, it's Moz here, and on the workbench today I have received this, the Academy catalogue for 2022. So guys, if you've not been on this channel before or have not seen this, basically I get these catalogues and I film them page by page because I do know how hard they are to get hold of. Unfortunately, I've been able to get this one. Only advice really is to go to the cog settings, click quality and select 1080p, and that way you can see this in all of its glory. You can stop the video at any time if there's something that catches your eye so you can see what's on the page, but I do turn them. It's about every 5 seconds I turn the page. But anyway, let's get into it. This is the Academy catalogue for 2022. Enjoy. So some really good good models coming forwards from Academy in 2022. A lot haven't been released yet, but as you can see, as you go through the pages, the catalogue was broken down with, you know, they've been pushing the Battle of Midway, which is the 80th anniversary. So a lot of their kits and models have been based around this Midway battle. The MCP series, which is multi-coloured parts, that seems to be a new thing. I don't remember seeing that last year. You got your ship and your car model kits, then the Da Vinci series, and then the company introduction. But yeah, so as you're going through, you clearly see that, you know, the first few pages are model kits. As you can see, the very first bit here was the release of kits in memory, I suppose, of the Battle of Midway, which turned the tide of the war in the Pacific Theatre. So it looks like they're bringing out some new tools. There's the United States Navy F4 Battle of Midway. So there goes a Wildcat there. They've got a new design on the United States Navy SBD-3. There's all sorts here that they're going to bring out. New parts on the USS Yorktown, and also on the B-25B Doolittle Raids. There's some new kits there. But if we turn the page, they've got this about the MCP multicolour parts, which I'm not too sure about, but we'll get into that, I suppose. Apparently there's no glue, no tools, no paint. So basically it could be like a quick build, but I don't think they're going to be Lego parts. Again, showing some new ones there. There's new parts for the F4E. Some new designs. I'm not quite sure what new design is, so I'm assuming that's new schemes. Moving through, new tooling there for the A6M2B Zero Fighter Model 21 Zeke, the Battle of Midway. So another one there. New tooling on that one. There's a new tooling for the A10, and there's new tooling there for the F4. And I think that's basically it for new stuff coming from Academy. And so they've got new designs, so I'm assuming that's just new schemes. But yeah, just mooching through. There's some lovely stuff in there. A lot of it that you know, we've seen it before. I see nothing really much there new, nothing much there. But these are MCPs, these are multicolored parts, so I'm assuming, yeah, no tools, no paint needed for them. No glue either. Quite a few added there for MCP in the aircraft range. They've even got a space shuttle with booster rocket as an MCP, so hopefully that will come through good. There's their armour. Nothing new in the armour, I don't think. If I remember rightly, if I look through before. Oh, yes, there is. Looks like they've got a German Panzer III there, new tooling. And if you recognise this sort of artwork, you would have seen it on some of the Airfix kits. They've come up with this CAD drawing is like this purple and grey colour. So if you notice that the the original tanks that they were showing had this sort of picture on the front of the boxes, and they haven't come through yet, those new tanks, but they will do soon. And they've also seemed to have got a new track there. 1:35 scales. These are 1:35 scale, are they? I think that's an Hanomag, that one there. So yeah, it's not really much else really for new tooling. I think that's basically it from them. Again, nobody's doing new ships. I've not seen new ships. I think Tamiya brought out a new ship a few years back, but nothing new since then. That's basically the catalogue all in. Well, new design for the Enterprise there. Again, Battle of Midway, and they go Yorktown. They got an MCP Titanic with LED set. So I don't remember seeing them in the last catalogue. So if anybody did remember that, let me know. There's that pony taxi. But the one thing they haven't put in here, which I'm quite surprised, is their shop. They've actually got a model shop now that you can actually build. But that's not in here either. But I'll put a picture up on the video because I just said you can buy a shop and build it up. But there's nothing here. And again, model of the year. They're going through the awards that they've won from the Nuremberg International Toy Fair. They've won a lot of awards with their models, and at the back there you got this lovely artwork there from Academy. So anything in this catalogue you fancy building, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll basically I'll respond and see whether I'll be tempted as well. just let me know what your thoughts are. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell to be notified when I release a new video. Also, if you'd like to become a channel member, please click join underneath the video here. On the screen now are the channel members who have felt, well, we've wanted to support the channel, and I'm very humble for their support, so that's why I put their names on each video. But thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.